Okay, so let's take a look at this one. It's very similar to a previous problem where we're integrating with respect to over this region with respect to the area of that region, and we need to figure out what that area actually is. So if I draw a picture, I can see that I'm going to go from 0 to 1 on the x-axis, and y is going to be -1 to 1. So I don't see an advantage to integrating with respect to x first or y first. I don't think the order is going to help me out here in any way. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. That was kind of ugly. Do this from -1 to 1 and 0 to 1 of x to the 5th minus y to the 5th squared. And the order I wrote this is going to be dx dy. I'm going to go ahead and expand this. And again, like usual, I'm going to work with this inner one first. Treat it like it was a separate problem. So I'm going to integrate from 0 to 1 of, expand this. This is going to be x to the 10th minus 2 x to the 5th, y to the 5th, plus y to the 10th. And I'm integrating first with respect to x. So this is just going to be x to the 11th over 11 minus, I'm going to leave that 2 out for a second. I'm going to have a y to the 5th there. It's going to be x to the 6th over 6, but I have this 2. That 2 would cancel out and just make this a 3, because this would have been 2 over 6. See, plus y to the 10th times x, because remember, y is a constant. And I'm going to evaluate this from 0 to 1. Well, at 1, I will get 1/11 minus 1/3 y to the 5th plus y to the 10th. And at 0 is just 0. So this is now what I need to integrate. And that was from -1 to 1 with respect to y. So I'm going to integrate from -1 to 1 of 1/11 minus y to the 5th over 3 plus y to the 10th dy. And that's obviously going to be y over 11 minus y to the 6th over 18 plus y to the 11th over 11, and that is going to be from -1 to 1. So let's see, what do I get there? I will get, at 1, I'll get 1/11 minus 1/18 plus 1/11 minus, at a -1, I'll get -1 over 11 minus 1 over 18. This -1 to the 6 is going to be a positive, so that negative stays. Minus 1 over 11, because -1 to the 11th is -1, so I just put that negative there. Okay, now I should probably think about simplifying this a little bit. This is going to be 2 over 11 minus 1 over 18. And this is going to be a negative 2 over 11, but there's a double negative, so this is actually going to be plus 2 over 11. And this could be plus 1 over 18. So the 18ths cancel out, and I end up with 4 over 11 as my solution.